Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into the world of car seat covers, specifically looking at the DryvaSeat Premium Microfiber Towel Car Seat Cover. If you're on the hunt for the best seat covers to keep you cool and protected, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by talking about what sets the DryvaSeat apart from the rest. This isn't your average car seat cover. It's crafted from premium microfiber material, making it not only durable but also incredibly comfortable for those long drives or post-workout commutes. But what really makes the DryvaSeat stand out is its waterproof and sweat-proof design. Whether you're coming back from an intense workout session, hauling the kids around, or simply dealing with everyday spills, this seat cover has got you covered, literally. One of the things I love most about the DryvaSeat is its universal fit. Designed to provide full seat coverage on most cars, trucks, and SUVs, you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. Plus, it works great on both leather and cloth seats. And here's the best part. When the cover gets dirty, instead of your seats, all you have to do is toss it in the washing machine. That's right, it's machine washable, making cleanup a breeze. Installation is a breeze too. The DryvaSeat installs in seconds and is just as easy to remove and store. You can even roll it up for convenient storage in your car or gym bag, so you'll always have it on hand when you need it. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best seat covers to keep you cool and protected, look no further than the DryvaSeat Premium Microfiber Towel Car Seat Cover. Stay comfortable, stay protected, and keep on cruising. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews just like this one. Until next time, happy driving!